Hello friend, this is Alvana here. Today I'll be unboxing this whiteboard which is delivered by Pragati systems. I've already opened it. I'll show you how it is. This looks very good. The packing very nice. I have to just take it out. As you can see that it's perfectly very good. It's perfectly wrapped in this polythene sheet. You can take out this polythene sheet. As you can see, this is a very good whiteboard. I've just purchased it from the Amazon. As you can see that, but it will be Pragati systems, and it looks very good. The finish is very good, and like you can write anything, and it's like non-magnetic board delivered from them. As you can see at the back, it's like a chalkboard, I guess, and some instructions which they've given it. The non-magnetic whiteboard and all something stuffs. So as you can see, I just bought it for around $35 or something, somewhat about that cost. I just bought it. As you can see, I just bought it for 415 rupees. It was just showing around 370 or 380 the regular cost is. As you can see that it will be delivered like this to you guys. So let me test the board a little bit so that you should get to know like how is the quality of it. So I have a marker and I'll just get a marker. So I'm back with the marker. If I'll write something about a random numbers x, y, z, it's look perfectly fine. As you can see, it's really good. It's like easily erasable too. I think it's a worth a purchase, and you can just do whatever you like to teach, or if you like to teach someone. And just there are some clips are also there. As you can see on the top, they've given two movable clips. You can just move that from left to right, and the left side also they've given two clips. You can just use two clips, and I think that it's also movable. Plus they've given another two exercises for holding from this side, so you can hold from that and on the wall. So thank you. Please like, share and subscribe and comment.